And now the basic step. It's easy to follow and goes like this. And there you are. That explains everything.
That if you're working on Chrome with Google Slides, that it's slightly different and kiosk mode doesn't work. So I'm just going to show you how you can develop your adventure quests within Google Slides. Now, what I've done is I've set up the slides, I've got the boxes, and I need to put my hyperlinks in. So I'm going to right click on my box. It says link rather than hyperlink. And then it comes up with slides in this presentation. That's what I want to click on. And then it gives me all of the options. Now, because I've got start here, my second slide, adventure begins, that's where I want this button to go to. So there we go, adventure begins. And then on slide 2, obviously I want this one to link to find your phone, because the button says find your phone, my title says find your phone, that's where I want to go. And this one needs to go to say hello, is anyone there? Okay, so now this works. So if I actually played this slideshow like so, let's go back to the beginning. There we go, start here. Now let's see if this box does what it's supposed to do. Begin. Yep, it goes to this one. If I click on hello, is anyone there? Yes, it goes to the right box. If I go find your phone, yes, it goes to the right slide. But remember, if we go to click anywhere else on the slide, so if I didn't click on this box, if I just clicked up in the air here, it would automatically go through to the next slide. And say if I wanted to say hello if anyone's there, but I just clicked next to it by accident, it would go to the next slide, which is not the right one. So how can we disable in Chrome not clicking and going to the next slide? Well, this is how you do it. What you need to do is, once you have created your page and done your hyperlinks, you create a transparent rectangle. So I'm just going to put a rectangle in and I'm going to cover the whole page with it. The whole page, there we go. So the whole page is covered with my rectangle. And what I want to do with this rectangle is I want to link it to this very page. Now, just to make it easier, I'm going to make this smaller. I'm going to add in a link, and I'm going to go to slides in this presentation, just like I did before, but link it to the same page it's coming from. So start here. And now I can make this all fill the whole page. There we go. So it covers absolutely everything. But I want to see stuff still, so I need to make this transparent. Can you see the little fill bucket up here? So I can click on that and I can go down to transparent. And that means I can still see everything. So now when I play my slideshow, here we go, I can click anywhere on here and all it's doing is it's linking back to the same page. So nothing is moving on. But the problem is now my transparent rectangle is over the top of my button and my button isn't working. So all I need to do is change the layer of this button. So what I can do is I can click and it will select this transparent rectangle, and by changing the order of it, so right clicking, and I'm going to order it, send it backward, and hopefully, in fact, actually, I could probably send it to the back, couldn't I? Let's send it to the back and let's try this. So presenter view, off we go. I'm clicking, nothing's happening. I'm not changing, but if I click on my begin button, yes, it works. So what we need to do is to have that rectangle, that transparent rectangle, filling the whole page, but obviously send it to the back and link it to the same slide. And that way, you've automatically created your kiosk mode, like in PowerPoint. so that the presentation won't go on unless you click on the right bits.